What if I told you the fastest way to transform your life is to disappear? Not literally, but to step back, cut the noise, and focus entirely on becoming the best version of yourself. Most people fail because they let the world in too soon, but not you. Here's your step-by-step blueprint to disappear, transform, and re-emerge stronger than ever. Step 1. Stay silent. Your mouth can be your biggest enemy in transformation. Oversharing your plans weakens your focus and invites unnecessary opinions. Starting today, say less. Keep your goals private and learn to value silence. Be a mystery to the world. And watch how much easier it becomes to focus. Step 2. Stop caring what others think. This is tough but essential. Most people are held back by the weight of others' opinions. Reprogram your mind to value only one opinion. Your own. Imagine yourself as your greatest mentor. Are you proud of your actions today? Would the future version of you approve of how you're spending your time? That's all that matters. Step 3. Protect your plans. When you're excited about a goal, the urge to share is overwhelming. Resist it. Treat your plans like a treasure. Every word you share opens the door to doubt, criticism, or distractions. Keep your ambitions sacred. The less people know, the better. Step 4. Keep your progress hidden. Transformation takes time. As you grow, whether it's in fitness, finances, or skills, resist the urge to show off. Don't reveal your new physique, growing bank account, or hard-earned achievements until the transformation is complete. Let your results do the talking. Step 5. Embrace the struggle. Transformation isn't easy. Failures, setbacks, and moments of doubt will come. But here's the key. Don't seek sympathy or validation. Cry, sweat, and persevere in private. Each struggle is building the version of you the world isn't ready for yet. Step 6. Make your life revolve around your goal. To truly transform, you need complete focus. Write down your goal and design your life around it. Every decision should move you closer to your target. Want to get fit? Live near a gym. Want to start a business? Dedicate time every day to it. Transformation isn't a side hobby, it's your mission. When you finally reappear, the world won't recognize you. And the best part, you won't care because you'll have built a life you love in the shadows. Ready for your next step? Watch our video on 6 ways to build unstoppable inner strength and continue your transformation journey.